G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a lovely home, 9 Burton Court in the popular Bayside suburb of Point Vernon. There is a lot to take in. Let's go and take a look around. This much loved brick home was completed in approximately 1988 and has been well maintained and refurbished over time. Positioned on a spacious 637 square metre allotment adjoining Burton Court Parkland in the highly sought after Bayside location of Point Vernon. This is where you'll enjoy the lifestyle that comes with being only minutes away from beautiful Gatakers Bay with boat ramp, esplanade, beaches and the Hervey Bay Golf Course. You also have Hervey Bay's essential amenities only a short drive away, including Pialba Place and Stockland shopping centres, Bunnings, University of the Sunshine Coast, Tafe, medical centres, hospitals, cafes and restaurants. This home will be ideal for those looking to make the sea change and secure a lovely home base to return to between your nomadic travels, and offers the option of dual living with a separate detached studio. This will be ideal for those with extended family members living with them. Entering the home, you'll have a large lounge or living room with ceiling fan. This is the ideal space to relax and enjoy your favourite television series. Next, you have the open plan dining area off the kitchen. The kitchen does form the heart of this home and includes beautiful stone bench tops and ample storage space, plus a pantry and soft close cabinetry. Appliances include an electric hot plate with range hood and an oven. Staying cool over the warmer summer months is as simple as turning on the split system reverse cycle air conditioning, which flows across the dining area and the main bedroom. This home does include 3 spacious bedrooms, all with ceiling fans and built-in wardrobes. The main bedroom includes a ceiling fan, split system air conditioning and a walk-in wardrobe, plus offers direct access to the 2-way bathroom. The 2-way bathroom does include a bath, vanity and a shower, and there is a separate toilet. There is a full-length veranda to the rear of this home for outdoor entertaining. This is where you'll enjoy Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate. The laundry is located to the side of the garage and has a rear access door out to the clothesline. There is a detached studio to the rear of this home, which does include a bedroom, shower and toilet along with a kitchenette. This makes it ideal for those with extended family members living with them, along with those long forgotten friends who are sure to arrive once they know you're living in beautiful Hervey Bay. Vehicle accommodation includes a single garage with remote door and direct internal access into the home, plus you have a carport to the front. The energy conscious will note the solar power system. You also have space to the front of this home to accommodate an RV, caravan or boat if required. Homes offering the option for dual living are always rare and in high demand, so don't miss this opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.